Hey guys! Today we are going to talk about the great importance of the oceans for our evolution. Did you know that during the 15th century, the Portuguese did a maritime expedition across the oceans which was called the Great Age of Sail? The motivations for this navigation was to explore new trade routes to India to get spices in the East. Since trading was well gainful at the time, and during this period, part of the continent we know today were discovered. And besides that, the main routes of the exploration were in 1492. There was the arrival of Columbus to the New World. In 1509, the expedition of Amerigo Vespucci. In 1513, the expedition of Nunes Balboa, crossing the new continent and discovering the Ocean Pacific. And in 1522, Ferdinand Magellan made the first travel around the world. And for them to be able to locate and navigate, they used some orientation instruments, such as the compass and the cartography. One of the great problems of the Great Age of Sail was also the environmental problems, since during that time they didn't really take care of the environment. As they traveled for months, they threw their excrement and garbage into the sea, which led to severe consequences to the environment. Since then, the habit of throwing garbage into the ocean is still a thing and is slowly killing living beings. At the time, each trip from the Great Age of Sail lasted around 1 month or so. They knew how long they took by looking at the sky when they saw the sun setting or by the place of the stars. That way they were also able to locate themselves. The astrolabe was an instrument used to calculate the positions of the stars from geometric principles. In addition to the position of the stars, it was also used to calculate the altitude of objects, their depth, and to know the time and locations too.